Imagine a wave of molasses rushing through the streets at 35 miles per hour. On January 15th, 1919, Boston experienced this bizarre phenomenon known as the Great Molasses Flood. A large storage tank, holding over 2 million gallons of molasses for the Purity Distilling Company, burst unexpectedly. The tank was poorly constructed and had a history of leaks. When it ruptured, a massive wave of sticky liquid cascaded through the streets of the North End, engulfing everything in its path. The flood reached heights of 25 feet, wreaking havoc on buildings, vehicles, and people. Tragically, 21 lives were lost and over 150 were injured. Rescue efforts were hampered not only by the sheer volume of molasses, but also by its thick treacle-like consistency, making it difficult to navigate through. The aftermath led to significant legal battles, as residents sought justice against the company for negligence. The incident raised awareness about the importance of industrial safety regulations. Even today, the Great Molasses Flood serves as a reminder of how unexpected events can reshape a community and lead to crucial reforms in safety standards.